Hello everyone, this is Mohan Raja. Today I am going to share you how to trade in Zerodha Kaita and how to invest in and trading in a Zerodha Kaita. Let's we go into Zerodha. This is the Zerodha Kite account. For trading purpose, this is the platform we can use Zerodha account to trade the shares and buy. We can buy these shares or stock. Okay, now let's we go into the video. To buy the share, this is the dashboard of Zerodha account, and this is orders which you when you buy the share, it shows pop-ups in order column and holdings. This one is a holding. When you buy the share, it shows the holding for long term or short term. It shows your holdings. Okay, and this is a position. If you're doing intraday trading, it shows in a position column, and this is your fund column, and it shows your funds, and this is your account. You can see your profile, console, coin, support, and I'm going to show how to trade in Zerodha, how to buy the stocks in Zerodha. Okay. These are the stocks. If you know some stocks, you can. This is the search bar. You can search stocks which you want to buy, NSE or BSE or Nifty. You can also trade every kind of stocks here. And this one is for holding. You can see a watch list. You can have the watch list, and you can see your share price. Of each and every share price, and I'm going to show how to buy the stock. Let's we take some HDFC Bank. I'm going to buy HDFC Bank, and in that column it shows buy, sell, market depth, chart, and more. In more, you can see fundamentals. This fundamental shows the HDFC's basic fundamentals, like what type of share it is, and what type of sector, and it shows the depth fundamentals of the share HDFC Bank Limited, and also in chart it shows the chart what the market goes up and down. So it shows the inflation of the it shows the ups and downs of the HDFC, and this is a market depth bid column, the blue column. Now today the market is closed, so that's why there is no value. If the market is open, it shows value, some offer. This is bid, is like bidding the value, and this is a offer. In opposite side, they offer some value, and you are ready to bid column is like you are bidding. If you are going for buy, it shows the buyer, the person who buys the value, and this is in this column it shows the value of buying option, and orders and quantity. If someone sells, it shows how much price, the minimum and maximum they selling, it shows here, and this is the order column, it shows orders, and this is the quantity. You can, before buying, you can check the market depth, and find the bids, offers, etc. So it will more helpful. And technical part, it also shows the depth of HDFC Bank technical part, and okay, now let's we go for buying the HDFC Bank. Okay, and this is the dashboard. You can see the dashboard. It shows the equity margin available. How much funds I have invested, and what is the current value, profit or loss. It shows holdings. What is the holdings percentage right now? I am in profit or loss. It shows here, and investment value, profit and loss. This one, and let's we buy the HDFC Bank. Go for buy option and click the buy, and it will appear like this. And in this column, you can see this is a market and a limit. There are two sections. It shows market is nothing but current market, what the currently what the market value is going, ups and downs. If you want to buy the current market value, For example, today the market is closed. If the market opens, the current value, like in market column, it shows some 1,400 something. It shows the current value ups and downs. It may be ups and downs. The current market value you're going to buy using the you're going to buy the current value. You can use the market option. And if you going for a limit, you can reduce the current value, and you can fix your own value. It's not be it's up to you guys. You can fix your limit, and in up there is a MIS and CNC. It's like carry and cash and carry, and this is the margin intraday square of. And intraday is nothing but if you doing trading for per day. It intraday is more useful, and I mean for the person who like to trade per day trading, this is option for the person like that. And long term is nothing but if you want to carry your shares for long period of time, you can use the long term. I most probably prefer long term, and intraday is also a good one, but it should be a more predictor and more be careful to do trading in intraday. But it's good to do in intraday. Some professionals or some people may handle the intraday in a good way and get a more cash, more withdraw, more cashes, and they get more profit using intraday. And I most probably prefer go for long term and buy the stock using long term. And after clicking long term and market or limit value, you choose yourself and go for buy option. If you get the buy option, it will shows in holdings order column. In order column, it shows the things. After that, executed. When it get executed, it shows in holdings column in this way. And this is the funds option. You can add your funds and withdraw, and this is the commodity and equity. In equity, most probably shares can be buy using only equities. If you going to buy for gold or the other commodity items, you can you can go for commodity, but most probably equity is the trading platform for the Nifty, Sensex, and other shares you want to buy. You can use equity. And you can add funds using this option, add funds, and enter the amount using this. And you can use GPay and other UPI pin or bank account to transfer your funds, and you can also withdraw the funds using the same process. And this is the funds column. Now if you want to sell the product, I mean if you want to sell the share, you can go for here and click exit, and it shows the sell Equitas Bank. This is the way you can sell, and you can fix the limit and market value. I can sell it, sell your share, and this is the way you can buy and sell your shares using Zerodha Kite. Kite Zerodha. If you want to create your own trading platform, use Zerodha. I give the description below for Zerodha, and you directly go to Zerodha and log in with your Zerodha account. Okay, and so this is the way you can buy and sell your shares in Kite. Kite Zerodha. So thank you for watching this, guys. If you like this video, please click like button, and upcoming videos I try to give a more profitable business or some profitable things that can gain you some cash, real-time cash, and real-time business you can do, or you can do as a part-time business, or you can do some do some trading business. Whatever it takes, it's up to you. Whatever you can take it up to you, guys. So upcoming video is going to be more interesting, because I'm going to show how to be a good get a real cash in your hand by using some accounts or some platform or some business or anything. Whatever the things I like to share is to be profitable for you guys. I want to give you a profitable things. So thank you for watching this, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.